Yes, today is the day. We are making the wide bass. And I'm going to show you how to make your own wavetable while you're at it. So let's check it out. Let's listen to the wide bass by itself. With the actual lead, it sounds like this. So basically we're mixing a wide bass with a mono bass. And I'm going to show you how to make the wideness. So I made my own wavetable and I used a sample. And the sample I used was this. So it's like a really long, stretched out bass sound. And you see it's from Apache Reese 2. So that's what it was originally. And real quick, I'm going to just show you how to make that long, loud, bassy sound to then put into Serum. So first you get the regular patch. It'll sound like this. And then what you do next is you turn warp on. You grab the end, hold shift, click, and drag. Then now you got a long sample. Then I just go ahead and cut off this noise. I hit Command E to cut. I delete these. Now we have a pretty long sound, but we need to make it even longer. So we go ahead and just freeze that, and then we'll flatten it to make it into an audio clip. And then now we can continue to warp and keep going, keep shifting. And then now you hit crop clip, go ahead and consolidate it, and then you can save it to wherever you want. Then when it's saved, you'll have it in here. Open up Serum, then you start making your sound. Drag it. Virtual Riot recommends dynamic pitch follow, so we're going to do that. It does sound really good. Now that we have our sample dragged in here, we're going to edit the wavetable. So we'll click this. We're going to do a couple things. We'll hit process. We're going to X-fade the edges. We're going to normalize each sample, so make all the volumes top notch. Then we're going to hit morph crossfade. Now we have the wavetable set up, so then we can go ahead and listen to it, and it should sound like, we can move the wavetable position. Now you have your own little wavetable. I'm going to show you how I made that bass. We'll start from scratch here. We're going to use two different LFOs. One of them will be the push and pull. Another one will be for tonal purposes. So grab the push and pull, put it on the level, go all the way up. We're going to add a warp mode asym, turn it to 23. Turn the wavetable position to 23. When I move these two knobs, I'm finding the tone that I like. Then we're going to put this on trigger, turn on the sub, add the LFO to the sub. Go to LFO 1, we're going to start adding a tonal knob, but instead of 1/4, we're going to put this on half rate trigger. We're going to barely add it to this. Then we're going to barely add it to this. Giving it slight movement now. Pretty dope, pretty dope. Now let's go to the effects. First we add the hyperdimension. I add the LFO, the push and pull LFO to the mix knobs. This one's at like 20. This one's at 50, halfway. Giving us some stereo width. Turn the flanger on. We're going to do the same thing with the mix. Add it to 50. Adding slight tonal qualities. Get the delay. We're going to change it to link. Pull this all the way down to a short decay time to make the metallic tonal quality. Mix is at 27. And then we're going to add the LFO to the feedback knob, 50%. More tonal qualities. Oh, we're also going to get our LFO 1 and we're going to add it to the depth knob. Then we can go to the compressor, turn it on, gains at 14.2, multi-band. Then we have the comb filter, cutoff is at 662, mix is at 21%. Adding slight tonal qualities. But then we have to do what's necessary. we have to do what's best. We have to make it wide. So to make it wide, of course, just add 16 voices real quick. Dang. Oh, okay. Then I add the easy clean rack, the Ray Volpe signature. Reduce ambience OTT. I added some saturator to boost up some volume. Then British clean camel crusher. Pump up the mix. Now with this song, I don't have this as a main lead. So we're not going to have all these frequencies playing. Since this is going to be a background noise in this specific song, I added this EQ to cut some lows, cut some mids. When you cut the mids, you're adding more space for other sounds. And then add another EQ to cut even more lows and cut some more mids. Now you don't hear as many frequencies, but it works well with the mix. So let's check it out with the mix now. And that's it. That's how you do it. That's how you make the wide boy. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like it, hit subscribe, hit the like, leave a comment. Peace out.